Ali here with Can-Am Cycles. Today we have a 2016 Can-Am Spyder RT S model, 6-speed semi-automatic with the reverse. Excellent condition, just around 9,800 miles. Brand new tires, fresh oil change done to it. Comes with 2 sets of keys, owner's manual. Pristine condition for its year and super low miles. This is a 1330 road tax motor, so got plenty of power. Very well maintained. See, brand new tire in the back. The front ones are almost brand new as well. I believe they have less than 200 miles on them. Plenty of cargo space. Got the toolkit too. Owner's manual with 2 keys. Very clean body for its year. However, would like to pinpoint just a few scrubs on the bottom just by driving into the parking lot. Barriers, that's all, like a stoppers. Other than that, pretty clean. Good VRP product. Does have a aux and a power outlet. Radio works good. 9857 to be exact. Super clean body, rides really nice. You're gonna enjoy it. This thing is ready to go. If you want to come check it out, we are located at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville, Illinois. Telephone number is 331-225-2553. For more details, visit us at can8cycles.com, and thank you for watching.